Hi, my name is Kristen Everett, and this is Jack. And
Hi.
We are doing my first video exercise for Egoscue. We are going to be doing the upper spinal floor twist exercise. So we are going to start on our side in fetal position. Our knees and our hips are going to be at 90 degrees, and we're going to be stacked on top of each other. Our arms are going to be extended forward, straight, and we're going to also have a 90-degree angle at the shoulder joint. We're going to be opening our top arm, reaching across our body to the other side, hopefully to the floor or as close as we can get. We're going to be looking in that direction, and we are going to hold this position for 1 minute. We're going to make sure that our knees are stacked one on top of each other, so the top knee is not coming forward at all. And we're holding, and we're breathing, and we're trying to stay relaxed. You're doing great. Shoulder feels okay?
Yes.
Let's bring this knee a little more forward so that you're totally stacked, one on top of the other. We're about halfway there. Try to relax the upper back. Doing great. We're going to hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that arm up and over, back to the starting position. And then we would switch over to the other side and hold that position for 1 minute also.
Okay.
Okay, the next one we're going to do is the hip crossover stretch, palms down. You're going to lay on your back with your knees bent. Your feet are going to be flat on the floor, and your hips, knees, and ankles are going to be in alignment. You're going to have your arms out to the side, straight arms, palms down, 90-degree angle at the shoulder joint. So far, so good. We're going to cross the left ankle over the right knee. You're going to take that junction and drop it down to the right side of your body, trying to get the left foot and the outside of your right thigh all the way to the floor. You're going to look in the opposite direction, trying to relax the upper back. You're going to use your glute muscles and your hip muscles to push that knee away from your body.
Yes.
And you're going to hold this for 1 minute. You can bring your left arm down just. Does that feel okay?
Yes.
You want to try to relax the back and keep breathing. Doing great. See, you're even smiling. We're about halfway. You can still bring that left arm down just a little bit. Doing good. Still breathing. We're almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up slowly and relax. And then, of course, we would do the other side. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, the next one that we're going to do is the crocodile. So you're going to lay flat on your back. Your hips, your knees, and your ankles are going to be in alignment. Your legs are going to be straight. Your arms are going to be out to the side straight at a 90-degree angle at the shoulder joint with your palms down. You want your feet flexed and your toes pointed up towards the ceiling. We're going to cross the right leg over the left so that your heel of your right leg is resting on the big toe and the second toe of your left foot.
Okay.
And then you're going to you're going to rotate your hips over to your left thigh, lifting your right off the floor. You're going to tighten your legs.
Okay.
So you're going to tighten your thighs and your glutes, and you're gonna look to the right. You're gonna try to relax your upper back, and remember to breathe. And we're gonna hold this position for 1 minute.
Okay.
And you're on the clock. And you're breathing. And I'm breathing. Doing great. Back feels okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thighs are tight. They feel okay?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, just check. We're halfway. Doing good. Almost there. We're gonna hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And then of course we would do the other side. Also holding for 1 minute. Thank you, Jack.
Thank you.
The next one that we're gonna do is the assisted hip lift. So you're laying on your back. We're gonna bring our feet up onto the wall, and we're gonna have our knees and our hips at a 90-degree angle. Okay, you're gonna have your arms out to the side. We're gonna cross the right ankle over the left knee. Okay, and you want your hips on the floor. You're gonna push your right knee away from your body using your right hip muscles. And we're gonna hold this position for 1 minute. You wanna relax the upper back and make sure that you're breathing.
Okay.
Okay, and you're on the clock. You feel those muscles contract
Oh yeah,
and stretch. Okay, good.
definitely.
We're doing great. We're almost halfway.
Okay.
Hips doing okay?
Yes.
And 15 more seconds. Does it seem extra long?
It's very relaxing.
It's very good for you. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And then of course we would do the other side also for 1 minute.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, the next exercise we're going to do is the static extension position. We're going to come down on all fours. Our shoulders are going to be directly above our wrists. Arms are going to be locked out. And our hips are going to be directly above our knees. So you're going to go back just a little bit. There we go. And then you're going to take a step forward with your hands 6 inches. And you're going to reposition your shoulders directly above your wrists. Yep, and your hips are going to be 6 inches in front of your knees. You're going to relax your low back so that your pelvis drops forward. And bring the shoulder blades together and then drop your head. We are going to hold this position for 2 minutes. And of course you're going to be breathing. Okay, that looks great. Arms are locked out. Back feels okay.
Yes.
Okay. You're breathing. All is well. We're about 25% of the way. Feel okay? Good. I feel like I should be doing something for entertainment. Okay, we're halfway. I'm not used to being this quiet for so long. okay?
Yes.
Good. How's the back feel?
Feels good.
At least you don't have to do the other side, right? Okay, we have about 30 seconds left.
Alright.
We have music in the background.
It's good.
Yeah. Are your arms getting tired?
A little bit.
Yeah. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Thank you. Great job.
Thank you.
The next exercise we're going to do are supine foot circles, point flexes. So we're going to lay on our back. Toes are going to be pointed up. Legs are straight to start. You're going to bring your left knee in towards your chest. And you're going to clasp your hands behind your knee. Okay? We are going to try to do 40 circles. Nice and slow, full circles. Beautiful. Try to just move your ankle. This is challenging.
It is. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
You're doing a good job keeping the foot up on the other side. How are we doing?
Getting a little tired here.
Okay. Let's go for 20.
18, 19. That's 20.
And then we'll go the opposite direction. Try to make nice full circles.
1, 2,
Wow, this is really challenging for you.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You doing okay?
That's challenging.
Breathing. I can count to 17.
Starting up.
Try not to move the knee too much. Do we need to take a break?
Yeah, it's fatigue, yep.
Okay. Do we need to take a break before we go to the points and flexes?
Oh no, I think I'll be okay with
Okay,
that.
okay, okay. So whenever you're ready. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. You're doing a good job with the other leg. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How are we doing? 18,
Getting tired.
19. Okay, we'll go for 20. And relax, and then of course we would do the other side also.
Okay.
Great job.
Thank you.
I know that one was hard. The next exercise we're going to do is downward dog. So we're going to start on all fours with our shoulders directly over our wrists and our hips directly over our knees. We're going to curl our toes under and we're going to lift our knees off the floor so that our legs are in the straightened position. We're going to tighten our thighs. We're going to try to create an arch in the low back, and we're going to try to bring our head between our arms so that we're in a piped position. And heels ideally are on the floor, but if they have to come up, that's okay. Does that feel okay on your back?
Yes.
Okay, and we're going to hold this position for 1 minute. Okay, so ideally we have some arch in there. You can lift your heels up a little bit if that will help with the arch. This one's challenging. Okay. Let's try to tighten those thighs. Good, good, good. This one is work in progress, and that's okay. We're halfway there. You can relax your head a little bit. There we go. And we're breathing.
Mm-hmm.
Doing good, almost there. Legs are still tight. Good, good, good. I know, it's a lot to remember. You got 10 more seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. The next exercise we're going to do is the air bench. So we are standing against the wall, and our feet and our knees are hip width apart. You're going to walk your feet away from the wall so that your knees are at about a 105-degree angle. So you're sitting in an invisible chair. Your hips and your shoulders are going to stay back against the wall, and your toes are straight. You're going to try to relax your upper body. You can rest your hands on your thighs if that was more comfortable. And we're going to hold this for 2 minutes. Are you okay?
Yes.
Knees still okay?
Yes.
Sounds okay? Okay, just check. Get out of your view. About 25% of the way. I know. I can't tell you any stories.
Same.
No, not so good. We're about 1 minute. How we doing? How the legs holding up? We're okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hey, we almost matched.
I did it on purpose.
Okay. We have 30 more seconds. I think it's not so painful when you can kind of distract yourself.
Right.
Starting to sweat now.
Glow. It's not sweat,
Glow.
it's glow.
You're glowing. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Thank you, Jack.
You're welcome.
The next exercise we're going to do are the standing arm circles. So you're going to stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Your fingers are going to be in the pads of your hand. Your thumbs are going to be pointing out. You're going to roll your shoulders back, bring your blades together, and shoulders are down.
Okay.
Then you're going to bring your arms out to the side 90 degrees, and you're going to do 6-inch circles forward with your thumbs pointed forward. Your elbows are locked out, and we're counting 40, a little bit bigger circles. Is this okay?
Yeah.
And we're breathing. And that's halfway. How are your arms doing?
So far, so
Shoulders
good.
are okay?
Yeah.
That's 30. We're going to need a break.
No,
Okay.
good.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. And then we're going to rotate. When you're ready, roll the shoulders back, shoulder blades are together, drop your shoulders down. Palms are going to be up, the fingertips are in the pads again, arms are straight, and you're going to roll your shoulders back. So try to lock that right elbow out. And nice big 6-inch circles. Breathing. Shoulders are okay?
Yes.
Looks like you're holding your breath. okay?
Yeah.
Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, the next exercise we're going to do is the standing windmill. So you're going to stand against the wall with your heels, your hips, and your shoulders against the wall. Your arms are going to come out to a 90-degree angle, and your palms are going to be forward. We're going to go side to side, we're going to move the torso side to side, keeping that 90-degree angle at the shoulder joint. That looks great. Beautiful. That looks great. Did I tell you you're doing 5 on each side? Okay, well, we're going to do 5 on each side in this position. That looks really good. How's it feel?
Good. Feels good. Thank you.
Let's go 1 more on each side, then we're going to make an adjustment. Now we're going to widen the stance to 1.5 foot apart, and then we're going to do the same thing. Hips are going to stay against the wall.
Right.
Shoulders are back, also against the wall. And we're breathing.
Yes.
Your shoulders okay? Are you getting tired?
Oh, good so far.
Okay, good, because we're not halfway yet. Let's go 2 more on each side. And 1 more. Beautiful. Now we're going to widen our stance to 2.5 feet apart. Legs stay straight, arms straight out to the side. And we're going to go 5 repetitions on each side. How are your shoulders doing?
Good.
Good. And we're breathing. Hips stay back. Let's do 2 more on each. And 1 more on each. Excellent. We're going to go back to our original position with our feet hip width apart. And we'll go side to side. 5 reps on each side. Just want to check the camera. Shoulders are getting tired.
Oh, no, man.
And 1 more on each side. Good. And relax. That was great.